In this tutorial, we will talk about radiation and Earth temperature. As we know, the body's temperature is linked to the balance between the amount of radiation absorbed and emitted. If the rate of absorption is greater than the rate of emission, the temperature of the body increases. But if the rate of absorption is less than the rate of emission, then the temperature of the body decreases. Now, if the rate of absorption is equals to the rate of emission, then the temperature of the body remains constant. The balance between absorbing and emitting radiation also applies to our planet. The Earth is constantly being bombarded by electromagnetic radiation from the sun, and it's also emitting its own infrared radiation because it's basically a big warm object. The Earth has an atmosphere which can reflect, absorb, and emit radiation. During the day, more energy is being absorbed by the Earth and the atmosphere rather than being emitted, which increases the local temperature. At night, less energy is absorbed than emitted, so the local temperature decreases. Overall, some parts of the Earth are in sun for a long period than usual. For example, Norway and Iceland. So the overall temperature stays pretty constant.